Good morning, what is up guys? Today we're going to go on another photo adventure back to Zambales. This time searching specifically for some really good night skies because, well I want to test this thing. I just got a new Star Tracker Star Adventure Mini, hoping to level up my astrophotography game this year in a big way. So we don't know exactly where we're going yet. We're just gonna take the car, look for a good spot, and hopefully get some good weather. So, let's go! So it's almost 3 p.m. It's gonna take us 2 hours to get to the location, which means we're gonna be there at sunset already. Who is the winner of being not prepared? Dessert, yeah, oh my gosh. A dessert of emotions. But this is better landscape, sir. Nakaharap tayo sa araw, sa sunset. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful sunset. Amazing spot right here. Just like this wide road, this river over here. Yeah, first spot for the day. We'll see what we can get. So, hindi na tayo mag-shoot.
Ito na ako.
Okay.
Sundin mo na lang bukas kung alis ka pa.
Okay, Doc. Alis na ako. Figure out where to set this up. As expected, I am having trouble figuring out if I'm doing something wrong because I'm not getting the thing to operate and trying to get it to do a panning time lapse, but I've never used it before, so I'm just standing here watching the sun go down, achieving nothing. Great. I still haven't figured out what's wrong, so I'm just running a normal time lapse over there and reading the manual while waiting. Update. I finally figured out how to get it to work. It moves really slow. It's like watching paint dry. So everything is fine. Look at the color behind this mountain. It's the color of a bruise. Running day to night now, hopefully to get some stars. As this beautiful light goes out, like my hopes and my dreams. I'm finally getting some exposures. The Star Tracker is controlling my camera in bulb mode, and I'm doing a 60-second exposure at ISO 1250. And that is so bright. Let's check it out. Super bright. Oh, look at these stars. What the fun! That's a 1 minute exposure, and these are pinpoint stars, and it's so sharp. I'm a believer. Wow, this is fun. So check this out. This is a 2 minute exposure, at ISO 640. It's like a ridiculously low ISO. And we have pinpoint stars. That is amazing. This thing is such a pain to set up and it's hard to compose, but wow, the results, I can't argue with it. So just so you know what this looks like, I've got my tripod. This is the optional latitude mount that makes it so much easier to align the star tracker with Polaris, because you need to do this so it can track with the movement of the Earth to compensate for the movement to prevent star trailing. And there's my ball head, my camera linked with the cable, and I'm controlling it using the app. And this is the external power pack I'm using just so I'm not worried about battery. So it's a lot of setting up. I'm getting so few shots, but the quality, I can't wait to look at this on my computer. Now I've switched over to my 55mm so I can just get close-up portraits of stars, and like compared to my previous work, it's just really, it's like the sky is just coming alive. And such a beautiful thing to see. It's really just hard to compose and set up compared to before, but I know if I master this, I can get some incredible shots.
Session 1 is done.
Yeah, we still have all night to go. Here we go again on the darkness of Lahar Road.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so first session is done. We are off to see if we can find some dinner, then we're gonna come back somewhere here and just spend the rest of the night shooting until sunrise. Let's see if our stamina can handle it. Let's do it. Charging station.
And it's yate.
230, sir.
Up there.
Can't hear you. I think at least briefly.
The higher altitude.
I know.
Higher part. That meaning it's on
Wish you guys could see where we are. I can't.
Fetching man.
Where are we going exactly? Wish I could show you guys the scene right now, because it's just unbelievably beautiful under the sky. Angelo's over there. I'm over here shooting some tracking singles and about to start a time lapse once I get my compositions in line. Amazing. It's just past midnight and we're gonna be here until morning. I've just spent the literally entire night out there, the Lahar fields, in this crazy, raging wind. I'm exhausted, but got some beautiful shots, and now we're trying to decide what to do and where to go for sunrise, because the sun's about to come up in about 15 minutes, so the adventure's not yet over.